Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to our Google Classroom. Last week, we have discussed the half part of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Let's recall the main points which we have discussed. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Everyone, including the courtiers, were talking about the fish. So, the king got angry and he scolded the courtiers. Then he felt sorry and apologized for his behavior. After that, he challenged Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking a word about it. Who was Gopal? Gopal was one of the courtier of the king. He was a wise person. Gopal accepted the challenge. A few days later of the challenge, Gopal's wife got confused because of his strange behavior. What was that? Gopal's face was half shaven and he sprinkled ashes all over his body and he wore disgraceful rags. Disgraceful rags means torn clothes. Then his wife asked him, "What happened to you? What's wrong with you? What are you going to do?" Then Gopal replied, "I'm going to buy a Hilsa fish." Then his wife thought he had gone mad. Gopal went to the market and bought a Hilsa fish and walked towards the palace. In between the way, many people saw him. Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of the people much more than the Hilsa fish. Then Gopal reached to the palace. Two guards were standing there. They didn't allow him to enter to the palace and they didn't recognize Gopal. We have discussed up to this. Let's continue the story. Gopal started to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, the king was listening to all these sounds. He couldn't recognize who was that person, but anyway, he ordered his soldiers to bring that man to the court. Gopal was brought before the king. The courtiers recognized Gopal. One of them told that he had lost his mind. That means he became mad. He thought that Gopal became mad because of his strange appearance. And another one said, "I think it's one of his crazy jokes because we know that he's a clever person." So the man thought that it's one of his crazy jokes. That means no one in the court was talking about the Hilsa fish. They attracted by the strange appearance of Gopal. Then the king asked Gopal, "What happened to you? What's the problem? Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" Gopal replied, "Your Majesty, I think you have forgotten something." Then the king got surprised. Forgotten something? What was that? He started to think about that. Gopal reminded the king that he had completed his challenge and from market to the court, nobody was interested to talk about Hilsa fish. Then the king remembered the challenge given by him to Gopal. He congratulated Gopal for his victory. And the king said, "You have achieved the impossible once again." These words shows that how much clever this Gopal was. This is our story. We have some textual activities. Just discuss it now. Page number 42. Question number 6. Write true or false against each of the following sentences. First one. The king lost his temper easily. It is true. Second one. Gopal was a madman. It's false. Third one. Gopal was a clever man. It's true. Fourth one. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. It's false. Fifth one. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. It's false. Working with language, one activity is given related to reported speech that we can discuss later. Then Page number 43. Second one, find out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Then use them in sentences of your own. Do it yourself. Page number 44. Picture reading. Look at the pictures and read the text aloud. Read the text and do the activities related to that. Page number 47. Number 4. Complete the following word ladder with the help of the clues given below. Do it yourself. I have attached the answer key of this activity with the notes. Check it. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. The answer key of the previous test is included. Check your answers. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.